So guys, welcome to Grand Egyptian Museum GEM in Giza City. So we will be exploring in this vlog most expensive museum in the world, and you might have already heard that Egypt is asking so many countries like Germany, France, Britain to return back everything that has been stolen from this land in North Africa of Nubian civilization and Egyptian civilization. So many of might you won't know that this civilization is also done by Nubian people, one of the tribes who live in Egypt. So credits should be given to them also. They are black tribe of Egypt, Sudan and South Sudan across the Nile River. And inside the museum we will be exploring what's there, if there is mummy or what kind of old historical things are present right now. I have not done so much research because I wanted to see firsthand how the museum looks like, but Instagram is already showing me some of the things. It's going viral all around. And today is 6th of November. So if I'm not wrong, on 1st of November there was a grand ceremony for the opening inauguration of this museum. Guys, this is 8,000 crores in Indian currency. Can you imagine? Insane. Welcome to Egypt, welcome to Giza. Let's go inside. So guys, finally we are at the ticket counter and it's full even at the ticket area. So many people, and the ceremony of inauguration happened just on 1st of November, and today is like 5th or 6th of November. I forgot the date. Hello. Are you guys Egyptian? No.
No,
Where are you from? Iraq. Oh, nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we are just standing in the queue right now to buy the ticket. The price for ticket is like 1450 Egyptian pound. So let's do this. Then we see the museum, world's biggest museum worth $1 billion. Imagine. One normal. Yeah. So guys, the guided tour is 1950 and the normal is like 1450. So you can select. Okay, it's done. But the problem is the guided tour is at 2 in the afternoon. We cannot wait that long. So we just took the normal one. That's it. This is the ticket. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the ticket for the museum, guys. So guys, finally welcome to the Grand Egyptian Museum, also known as GEM, worth $1 billion, built in Egypt in Giza. So very soon I'm going to show you around how the museum looks like. So guys, we have just entered the museum, and in the entrance you can see Ramses. So one of the statues that have been brought here inside the museum. You have to maintain some distance, of course. I think they should put one glass barricade, which they have not done it yet. You see there is no barricade right now here. So the security is telling people to stay behind. But look at this. How heavy, can you imagine? This is insane. This is just at the entrance right there. Whoa. So when you enter the museum, this is the first visuals that you will see directly as you enter. One of the pharaoh in Egyptian culture. Let's explore more. Let's move around. Let's go. Guys, but this is massive. It's like huge. Sphinx of Kings Ramses II. So this is the Sphinx. You see like the lower body of the animal and the upper body of the human. So the lower body is like the lion and the upper face is of the human, Ramses the second Sphinx. So pharaoh, Sphinx, these are some of the main words used in Egyptian culture. Now this side there are more statues that have been transported from all around the Egypt and brought into this museum. And you might already know that Egypt is asking all the stolen things back from Europe and wherever in the world. And in upcoming years, of course, it should come back. Guys, this is what our ancestors used to build 5,000 years before. Can you imagine? Like, this is the level of civilization the people had, the Nubian people, the Dinka tribe, the Mundari tribe who used to inhabit these lands all across Sudan, Egypt, and some Bedouin Arabic people. All these tribes are part of this ancient civilization that we are watching right now. Whoa. This one looks impressive. Colossal statue of god Ptah. So guys, I'm standing right near to one of the statues of Ramses again, and behind the statue there is the old Egyptian writing system, also called as hieroglyphs, something like this. I'll write on the screen, which is like painting, like drawing in a form of writing. So just look at this. All this is like the ancient writing system that our human ancestors used to use to talk to each other, to talk, to communicate with so much detail. Guys, this is history of our human civilization. हमारे पूर्वज लोग, एंसेस्टर, इंसान कैसे रहते थे, ये आपके सामने बिल्कुल इजिप्ट में दिखाया जा रहा है बहुत डिटेल से. एंड जहाँ भी जाओ भाई, हज़ारों तरीके के आर्टिफैक्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे, हज़ारों की तादाद में. एंड हम सबसे बड़ा स्टैचू, सबसे फेमस का वेट कर रहे हैं देखने के लिए, तूतनखामुन द फ़ैरो, द किंग. उसका जो मम्मी मिला था जब डिस्कवर हुआ था, उसके साथ 5,000 आर्टिफैक्ट्स मिले थे. वो सारे इस म्यूजियम में अभी. इमेजिन.
Mambo, Spasana.
How are you?
Very good. This is my first time in Egypt. I'm good actually.
Okay, so how do you feel about the museum?
Wow. This is what actually $1 billion can get you. It's very big, and it's not something you can actually finish in a day.
Yeah.
And I would actually think if you want to actually have a good knowledge about everything here,
Yeah.
you need to go with a guide. Because walking around, too much to see.
Guys, more than 5,000 like
Right.
pieces.
Right. So you need to walk with a guide, and we could have waited for the guide, but that would have taken us an extra 4 hours to wait for 2 p.m.
Yeah.
which is not actually part of the plan. But
So-
this is actually very big.
So
This
let's
is-
explore.
Huh?
Let's go and explore.
Oh yeah, sure.
So guys, it was plan of Kenneth to come here, and we are finally here. Let's explore now. Does he look Egyptian or African?
I don't understand. Egypt is Africa.
No, but does he look Arabic Egyptian or white Egyptian or black Egyptian?
It looks like Africa.
He looks like African.
African.
I think Arabs, they have skin tone like me, and he doesn't look like me. He looks like
African.
guys, I just crossed this line of the paintings. All these were ancient paintings that depicts African kings sitting there. Of course, there can be some prince also who were there in the paintings, who were little light skinned. That's fine, of course. Bedouin are little light brown, but there were many African kings who were like black. So why do we alter the blackness of Egyptian history? I don't understand that at first point. And Nubian people who look like these statues still exist until today. The Dinka tribe, the Mundari tribe, the Turkana, the Masais, the Nubian, they all exist until today. Yeah, they have been massacred, they have been killed, but they have survived. So let's talk for what it is, the real history. Let's not alter it, you know. I saw one reel where one Arabic or Egyptian woman was saying that these statues were built with good muscular body just to show maybe these people had big bellies and a lot of fat. But this like altering the black history. Black people in South Sudan still have this body, they still have this height, they're still this tall, they still have muscular build in real life. So don't brainwash the body structure also because of the hate, you know. if you go to South Sudan, those people, they don't have big fat, they look like all these statues around here, you know. People in South Sudan, people in Sudan, Nubian tribe, they all look like this. So that's not a fake or imagination, it's reality. Welcome to the real world. Whether you hate it or you like it, it exists. So guys, as we are walking inside the museum, it's keep getting intense. All these are more than 5,000 years old history and more than 10,000, you know, crafts right behind us, statues. So many different kings, dynasty and empire, and so much rich history from kings, from the painting, from the statue to the queens. Everything is shown here. This is King Ramses II right here. You see, this is for the King Ramses II. It's written here, and all the description you can read, but you cannot understand in one day. It's a lot to grasp. So you need at least very good knowledge of this history, and this is so ancient. This is African, this is ancient. Let's give credit to the people who did it. Surely there might be some brown Bedouin also in part of some Egypt, of course, but mostly majority is by African tribes.
هو يعني هو مش باين له ملامح أو
The museum, they have crocodile mummy, like mummy of a crocodile that has been found in Egypt. Wow, this is crazy. So some of the temples, they used to have crocodile mummy for sacrifice, to give to the god, to make the god happy. Priests at Komombo. Wow, guys. Mummy of a crocodile. Kenneth, let me show you something. Guys, this is the view from outside of the museum.
English, yes. And Arabic? No. Picture.
Kenneth is a celebrity in Egypt. No, you first take. Nice. Guys. So, I usually never say no to photos. Same with Kenneth. Kenneth is also very kind with these things. He's like, okay, yeah, take photo. That's okay. Hey, welcome to Egypt, guys. This is Egypt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is so historical, man. This is amazing. Like, first thing I saw in Egypt is this grand museum. Usually I'm not a big lover of museum, but this really date back to ancient preservation, like extreme level of historical evidence of our human ancestors. So this is, this is not like a just museum. This is evidence how humans used to live like thousands of years before. And I heard there are some things which are like 50,000 year old also in this museum, but I have not seen them yet. Very difficult to find. Thousands of crafts are available here. So guys, this is obelisk. Many of them are stolen by the Great Britain. So these also have old Egyptian writing. You see the sun, different animals, the fish. This is the old writing, the symbol of power, obelisk. There is even one right there. Wow. Queen temples. So many temples, guys. Ancient Africa had temples. So ancient history in Africa had temples. Right behind me there is pyramid that I have not been until now. These things are only found in Egypt. You cannot find them anywhere else in the world. So guys, we are entering the gallery of Tutankhamun, the most important figure in the human history. When his mummy was found, the tomb was found, it changed the human history completely. Wow. All these are artifacts, of course, which were found related to him that are placed in the museum. This part of the gallery has been named specifically Tut area, Tut Gallery, Tutankhamun. So it was one of the few mummies that was found completely intact. It was not destroyed at all, and the researchers said that he died at the age of 19. So it very much helped in the research because it was completely very in good condition as a mummy, as a body, even after so many years. So, wow. Tutankhamun Pharaoh, so much crowd to see him. Wow. So many people. You can just see here. It's full. It's completely full. Guys, now it's time to head out from the Grand Egyptian Museum. It was amazing. I mean, I enjoyed it more because I was also not alone. Kenneth was there to accompany, but it was good. So, we are ready to head out and eat something. First tourist experience, not just tourist, I think it's a human experience for everyone, no matter which country you come from. But what an amazing experience. Almost like the second day in Egypt officially, but the first impression of Egypt. So nice, so cool. Guys, we are out of the museum. It was grand, it was huge, and as we are going out, the crowd has become more than double. There are so many people. So that's good that we came early in the morning, because right now it won't be able to possible to film at all. see the crowd. People are coming in masses to see the Grand Egyptian Museum. Kenneth, how is the crowd?
Oh, it's too much now.
Too much, eh?
I
Yeah.
came earlier, a little bit earlier.
Yes, right now it's so crowded. So it was an amazing experience, guys. Right now we are going to eat something now. So that's about it. This was the museum. Let's go and eat some Arabic food or some pizza or pasta, whatever we get. So let's go. So guys, we have booked the Uber in Giza to pick us up from the museum, which is a very difficult thing to do in Egypt, man. They are always asking more money, and most of the time you don't go with them. They cancel the ride, this and that. So it's a very hassle. It's like a luxury in Egypt. A basic necessity is a luxury. This one? So crazy, but let's see. Someone just got their Uber. We are waiting for hours. Okay. Let's go. I hope he won't scam, but it says 70. We will of course give him 100. Thankfully, this police have not told me close your camera. They always say that. This is our car.
No, I am there. Okay, enter.
Okay. Finally. But guys, if you look at Egypt as a content creator, there is so much content. So much, like every street have content here.
You know, for the first time, normally if I'm traveling, I edit on the go. But for the first time, after going to almost 32 countries, this is the first country I'm having more than 35 unedited videos.
Unedited.
I'm telling you.
So much content, guys.
So much to edit.
Morning, night, evening, make content.
At the moment, I'm here now, but I've been to Luxor,
Everywhere,
Aswa,
yeah.
I've been to the Nubia village, the Black village,
Huh.
everywhere. Look at the pyramid.
Yeah. No, but I will show them in next videos. So wait. भाई तो ये हमारा खाना था. मैंने तो ये सिर्फ ब्रेड और हुमूस खाया, जो कि साइड डिश में एज अ फ्री मिला है, और एक जूस. एंड केनेथ ने यहाँ पे चावल और लैम्प का मीट है, ये खाया. तो दिस वाज द लंच. आई एम शोइंग यू आफ्टर ईटिंग बिकॉज कैमरा ऑन करना भाई भूल गए. So guys, in Egypt we have entered a traditional coffee shop. It's like, you know, just for the coffee, nothing else. So let me show you around. This is the shop where the guy is making the coffee. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice.
You have coffee, yeah?
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. So guys, we just went outside to eat some dinner and food. Now we are on our way back. So when people see him, you know, they want to talk because there is some fascination with black people in black people in Egypt. So ये बंदा भाई बता रहा है हमें इजिप्ट के बारे में कि इसके और कौन कौन से ब्लैक अफ्रीकन फ्रेंड्स को ये जानता है. बहुत बढ़िया, नाइस.